Okay, we have a Schlage challenge lock. The lock does work. It is locked. This is the bitting on the key. Put it in the vise and open it up this morning. See what kind of pins are in it. Going to use top of the keyway and this pick. Start at the front, work our way back. Felt like we got a little false set out of number 2. Got a little movement out of pin 4. Pin 1, just a little bit more of a false set. Release the pressure. I think we overset a pin. Okay, pretty good false set out of number 2 then. See number 1. Okay, I believe number 1 is set. Okay, there's number 3. Give us more false set. Okay, a little bit more out of number 1 again. I believe number 2 needs to go over a little bit. Yes, we got number 2. Okay, number 4. Yeah, a little more false set. Number 5. Not getting much feedback out of number 6, if any. Getting a little bit. Can't get it set because of that one low cut pin. Okay, everything else feels like it's set except for number 6. There we go. Okay, it's open. Alright, let's see what we have in it this morning. What kind of pins. Okay, let's check the bottom pins first. Okay, some type of serrated pin. Same thing on number 2. More serrated bottom pins. Okay, all the bottom pins are serrated. See if there's anything wrong with the plug. Okay, the plug just looks like a normal plug. Let's check the bottom pins. I mean the top pins, excuse me. Then we'll get a close-up look of these bottom key pins. Alright, number 1. Is a serrated, well, I don't know what you call that. Some type of weird looking pin. We'll get a close-up look of it in a minute. Okay. Another weird pin, serrated on top and bottom. Another type of serrated spool pin. Same thing on this one. And that pin is the same way. Okay, let's see what we got on number 6. Okay, it's the same type of pin. Okay, let's see if we can get a close-up of those pins. Let's zoom in on these first. And okay, that's what we got on pin 1 and 2. Pin 3, pin 4, pin 5, pin 6. Weird looking pins. Okay, that about does it for this lock. Please do not do anything illegal. Please stay out of trouble. Keep yourself straight. Do not use any of this information for illegal purposes. I appreciate your time and thank you for watching.